Dear students, I am Prateek Bachwani, mathematics teacher of class 8, Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. In this lecture, I am explaining you about probability or chance. Probability or chance. This means number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Probability equals to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Let us take an example to understand this formula, this topic. Suppose there is a dice. You all know what is a dice, which is used to play ludos and many other games. It consists of 6 faces. It is in the form of a cube which consists of 6 faces, and there are dots on each face, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 dots respectively. So it represents number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Suppose the question is probability of getting a number 3. What is the probability of getting a number 3? There is just one chance of getting a number 3 when it is played, when it is rolled. There is just one chance out of 6 chances because it consists of 6 different numbers. So total there are 6 chances. Maybe 1 can come at the top, maybe 2 dots, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 different chances which can occur. But the question is probability or chance of getting 3. There is just one chance of getting 3 out of 6. So probability of 3 will be equals to 1 by 6, because favorable outcome according to the question will be 1 only and total outcomes will be 6. Moving on to some questions from the exercise. There is one question, a spinning wheel. You can see question is asking outcomes in spinning the wheel. Only outcomes, not probability. So the outcomes will be A, B, C and D only. There are 4 outcomes. A is given 2 times, but outcome it can come A, B, C or D. So overall there are 4 outcomes, 4 different outcomes in spinning this wheel. Another question is outcomes in tossing 2 coins together. When we toss 2 coins together, there can be 4 outcomes, 4 different outcomes. How? In the first coin, head can come at the top. Another coin also head can come at the top. So H, head is one of the outcome. In the first coin, maybe head can come, but in the second coin, maybe tail can come at the top. So this is also one of the outcome, head and tail. Now, third outcome, in first coin, tail and another coin head can come, or in both the coins tail and tail can come. So there are 4 different outcomes, head head, head tail, tail head and tail tail. 4 different outcomes are there when we toss 2 coins together. There is one of the question number 4 from exercise 5.3. There are 10 different numbers from 1 to 10. So the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The first part is probability of getting number 6. So here we can see there are 10 different numbers. It means total outcomes are 10. For each part, total outcomes will be 10 only. Now probability of getting 6 is just one time. So favorable outcome according to the question is 1, because 6 is just one time. So 1 in the numerator and total outcomes 10 in the denominator. So 1 by 10 is the probability of getting 6. Probability of getting less than 6. We have 5 numbers which are less than 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So favorable outcomes are 5 and total outcomes there are 10. So 5 by 10, which is equals to 1 by 2. Next part, number which is more than 6. There are 4 values, 4 numbers 7, 8, 9 and 10 more than 6. So for favorable outcomes are 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. According to the question, favorable outcomes are 4 and total outcomes are 10. Converting it into lowest term, 2 की टेबल से 2 times 4 and 5 times 10. So 2 by 5 is the probability. Another probability of getting one digit number. We have 9 one digit numbers from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 one digit numbers. So numerator will be 9 because favorable outcomes are 9 and total outcomes are 10. So 9 by 10 is the answer. Thank you.